tinawag na Batumi? Bakit?
Hey, guess who's back? Si Ryan, and for today's video, half-day tour tayo sa Batumi.
Kasi maraming bato. Marami. Batumi.
Batumi is 380 kilometers away from the capital of Georgia. The best destination during summer for most tourists. You can travel to the Kutaisi airport na merong kiosk na available transportation. You can also rent a private car or van sa mga terminals for convenience. And of course, they have the lovely plane for you to experience. Batumi isn't really big, but it has its charm. You'll see Italian-style architecture, with every street offers unique atmosphere and ambience. Ang dami din landmarks with their stories waiting to be discovered. So it's 2 p.m. Let's start our adventure. The Batumi shoreline stretches for 7 kilometers. It's not hard to find your perfect spot. The boulevard area offers walking and cycling paths, gardens and trees, scattered sculptures and artworks, with several recreation zones. May mga coffee shops din and a whole lot more.
What can you say about the tour?
Great. Tour.
It's great. It's great. It's tour.
Sa Ferris wheel naman, kita mo ang landscape ng Adjara, ang pier, ang buong boulevard. Mabagal lang ang ikot kaya menos lula. Just enjoy and take everything in and appreciate the beauty of Batumi. Konting lakad lang, we move on to our next stop, the Argo Cable Car.
Walang sakay ka. Wala pang ganun.
Pagdating sa taas, i-enjoy mo naman ang view. Skyline ng buong Batumi. Take note narating namin to just by foot. May restaurant and coffee shop na available dito. Kaya lang di ko na-check kasi baka mataas din ang presyo. Kaya bumaba na kami just before 5 p.m. to enjoy the sunset.
So for today's video, puro kami akyat, puro kami lula activity. So dito kami sa Corniche, yes, Corniche, sa tabing dagat ng Batumi. Batumi is, as you can see, bato na marami. Batumi. So sunset na dito. And then bukas, we're going to experience naman train ride Batumi to Tbilisi. Pagod tsaka lula. So Ferris wheel, cable car, picture, kain, mabilisan lang na one day stay, one day tour dito sa Batumi. Nagalit yung bata. Kamo. Binato ko yung yung tower mo.
We then checked out around 5 a.m. We are just 15 minutes away sa train station kaya may time pa kami mag-almusal.
Let's go to the train station. Good morning, it's 7:15. 40 minutes away from our trip to experience the Georgian Railway.
As for our mandatory trip, dapat lagi kami may train experience. And this trip is a 5-hour ride back to Tbilisi.
We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us. We are wanderers, nothing can stop us.
Provided high quality service to ensure our passengers enjoy comfortable journey. Please help us look
And
up
that's
the
it.
train
Thank you again for joining me on this journey, one video at a time.
We wish you a pleasant and safe journey.
How's your ride? Hilo. Hilo pa.